Stephen, what have we learned and how significant is it?
It's pretty significant, I think. The biggest move is concerning assets, so it's not going to concern people right away, but it's pretty clear they're going to move some traders too. We've heard they're thinking about moving hundreds of people from the trading unit in London across continental Europe, mostly Frankfurt, of course, but even other locations. So it's likely to be a very big move in terms of assets, in terms of people, and infrastructure.
What areas of the business are we talking about here, Stephen? Are we talking the back office? And also, is Frankfurt emerging as the place for many of these banks looking to get that certainty within the European Union?
Yeah, so in terms of Deutsche Bank, we're mostly talking about back office first, but client-facing people who pick up the phone with clients in the EU, especially corporate clients, will probably be moving too. It's not entirely clear when. It may happen next year, as early as next year. They are looking to implement these things over the next 18 months, we've heard. So those people will be affected. And yes, Frankfurt is definitely emerging as the Brexit winner in terms of, if you can call it a Brexit winner. We're talking about a couple of thousand jobs maybe moving to Frankfurt. Some other big names have announced they want to make Frankfurt the EU hub. So I think that's definitely a thing that we're observing at the moment.
Stephen, for those worried about the City of London, some staggering numbers that come out of the latest ECB report on the use of the euro. North of 40% for euro-denominated securities trading, north of 40% takes place in London. When you look at the City of London, the infrastructure that it does have, are there still big things going for it that aren't necessarily just going to disappear in March 2019?
I think that's just something that's very much being negotiated. Many financial institutions in the euro area and in continental Europe are actually against moving too much because they're concerned about a lack of infrastructure in the rest of Europe and additional costs that would incur because of inefficiencies. So I really don't know at this point how much will move, but if it moves, that would be a very big deal indeed.